This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Crystal Growoski and Kim Lamb. Welcome to this exclusive gated community of Champions Gate within minutes of Disney World. This stunning 4-bedroom, 2-bath, split bedrooms floor plan, spacious home with tile roof and screened covered lanai. The open floor plan with a combination kitchen, dining area and family room make for entertaining at its finest. Any chef will fall in love with the large kitchen with granite counters, 42-inch wood cabinets, stainless appliances and accompanying island. To enhance Florida living, a large covered lanai with pavers accessed by a double sliding door is the perfect place to relax after a long day of shopping or work. A large master bedroom suite has a walk-in shower, garden tub and dual sink vanity with access to the lanai area. 2 other nice-sized bedrooms with a bath in between help to complement this spacious floor plan. The 4th bedroom could also double as an office if you don't need the sleeping space. As you enter this well-appointed home, you will enjoy the natural light that radiates through this home with its great open space. Just minutes away from all the attractions, restaurants and major highways. This community is within striking distance of restaurants, schools, golf courses, all the amenities of a big city including the new Champions Gate downtown. Everything is included. HOA includes cable, phone, Oasis Club House, 24-hour security guard gated, internet, all exterior landscape, volleyball, tennis courts, $75 food voucher every month and unlimited access to golf. At the Oasis Club House, you will enjoy all the amenities you can imagine. Kids pool, splash area, family pool, lazy river, AC private cabanas, restaurants, bar, gym, theater, business center, pool area service and much more. Live like you're on vacation every day of the year in this beautiful golf course resort community. Close proximity to all the theme parks. This also makes for a great investment property for long-term rentals. For more information, review the details below or contact Crystal Growoski and Kim Lamb at 407-406-5322.